Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2024 Kubota K008-5. So this is a small expandable track excavator. This excavator has 85 hours on it. This was a customer bought it last year, I believe in February, for one job. He had purchased a brand new Allied Rammer 155E hammer with it. He completed the job and he's decided to sell his equipment. We bought a bunch of his equipment. Has a like new 10-inch bucket with it, fully expandable tracks. These are not like the disposable throwaway mini Chinese excavators. This is a real mini excavator with a real American-made hammer. Like new unit, we're going to start here underneath the hood. These units have a special need, time, and place. Very cool little machines, very expensive little machine. This setup here last year was about $35,000. Powered by a Kubota D722 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. We have done a complete service on it at 84 hours. MSC stands for Mark Supply Company. We changed all the filters and oils. This is an absolutely like new machine. This unit does have telematics on it. Does also have the auxiliary hydraulic kit on it. Again, expandable tracks, folding ROPS, which you can see the back is like new. The whole excavator is like new. Again, it's an 85-hour machine. Blade does have a set of removable wings on it, so when you narrow the tracks up, you can take those off. Up here's your auxiliary hydraulics. We've already done a video of the hammer. This is a part 2 video of the machine. It is bitter cold here today in Pennsylvania. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to fire Ben. Show them here at the hour meter. Turn the key on so they can see that. 85 hours. And then what this machine actually does, if you want to run a pattern changer on it, you have a panel here, you unbolt this and you move 2 linkage arms and you rebolt them in place, and that's going to change over to John Deere or cat style control, and it's currently on cat style control. We're going to go ahead and fire it up. Going to run it around, show you everything it's supposed to do. Simply flip down your lock lever. Little machine has 2-speed, counter rotate, counter rotate. Again, machine's under full warranty. There you can see it pulls under its own power. These have a real planetary in them. Again, unlike that Chinese mini excavator junk, it's floating around. They're just got a hydraulic drive motor with no planetary in them. So this machine is going to have swing boom. Very smooth. Swing the other side. Has a little LED work light on it. Again, very, very smooth little machine. Now, we're going to take, and I'm going to show you here. I'm going to go and it makes it easier on the machine. You can do it while you're walking, but let me just go and prop myself back up real quick. So, we're going to flip the lever right down here in the bottom. Now, what that's done, that has changed my blade lever to now my expandable track lever. So that right there is now going to flip back over, and that's going to take us back to our blade control function. Okay. 2-speed travel. Again, 2024 machine. It is 100% like new. Extremely tight. Guys, massive savings here compared to a brand new one. Here's one to take a look at. 85 hours. Swing boom, a quality Kubota piece. These little mini hoes here hold their value. Their stuff will never You are getting the Allied Rammer hammer here with it. It's a 155E. Being sold as a complete package. Guys, if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. If you need a shipping quote, anything like that, let us know. We'll be glad to help you. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.